Hi friends, welcome to the Infosys. Today I will talk about the amazing new launched application Thread that is built by Instagram team for sharing text updates and joining the public conversations. Just like Instagram, you can follow and connect with friends and creators who share your interests, including the people you follow on Instagram. This app is highly competitive with Twitter's with most advanced feature. So without wasting the time, let's see how you can get this Thread app and make your account within seconds. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and search Instagram and make sure your Instagram is updated. After the installation of update, open your Instagram application and then tap on profile icon here, and after that tap on these three lines, and here you can see thread option over here. Just simply tap on that. So you can see the new update of Thread app is just look like this. Just tap on get threads and you will be redirected to Thread app installation. Just tap on install. After installation, open your Thread app. You can either go with the same account or switch account. I'm just going with same account. Tap on here. So this is the first interface of Thread app. You can import all information from your Instagram bio, and here you can also import links, etc. Now I'm going to import my all detail from Instagram. Just tap on import. You can see the all information of my Instagram account is imported over here. Just tap on next and you can select either public or private account just like Instagram. So currently I'm going with public profile, then tap on continue. You can also read the meta terms from Instagram team, that's how Thread works, and tap on join Thread. So here we go, the profile creation of Thread app has been completed over here, and here you can like, comment and send this post to your friends. If you tap on profile icon here, you can see the interface of Thread app is just like Instagram. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.